Hi everyone, so today's video I'll be showing you how you can deposit money in Bitflyer. In order to deposit money on Bitflyer, all you need to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now you can fund your Bitflyer account by initiating the wire transfer from either your local branch or bank's website. So it's going to be different from bank to bank on how to initiate a wire online, but all banks will have the option to send the wire transfer to an external bank account. So be sure to select the wire transfer. Now then, to begin with the procedure, what you'll have to do is you need to open up your application. But if you're using a web browser, then you need to type in www.bitflyer.com/login. Enter in your credential and then log in into your account. So once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. Now unless and until if you have not verified your account, then you'll not be able to do the transaction or do the trade. So you'll have to make sure that you've already verified your account, and after that click the menu tab located in the top left hand side, and from the drop down menu select account funding, which is located right in between. This is going to take you to the other interface where you'll be able to see all sort of information. So then to deposit money in Bitflyer, first of all select the currency type by tapping the arrow icon located right on top. So select either one of it, and once you've done selecting the currency type, you'll have to enter in the amount located right at the bottom. Once you're done selecting the amount, and if you've also verified your account, then you'll be able to find the option as deposit or / withdrawal. So select deposit, and after that you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount that you wish to deposit. And once you're done with that, you also need to make sure that you've already added a linked bank account to your Bitflyer. Through all of the information that you've provided, confirm it, and then click the submit button. As soon as you do that, you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully deposited money in Bitflyer. In this way, you can deposit money in Bitflyer. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.